How to hide online status and read receipts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide online status and read receipts on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here in this section, first you can just tap on last seen and online. And now here under who can see my last seen, you can just select nobody, and here just under who can see when I'm online, you can just select same as last seen. And now here with that, you can just go back, and here if you scroll down, then there you'll see the option labeled as read receipts. So here you can just toggle it off to turn it off, and that's it. That's how you can hide online status and read receipts on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.